This is our ML910G, which is a high-capacity tracker with IP65 waterproof, strong magnetic. All you need to do is insert your SIM card and you can start using our tracker. First, you need to send a command to configure your APN, and then use this command to configure your center number so that you can control your device. Sending this command to the device from the central number can switch the tracker to listening mode, and then call the device from the central number to monitor the sound around the device.
Hi, I'm driving right now. I'll talk to you later.
If you want to configure the disassembly alarm, you need to first send instructions to configure the SOS number of the device. A maximum of 3 numbers can be configured, and then use this command to switch the device to ARM mode, and finally send this command to set the alarm mode of the device. You can complete the configuration of the disassembly alarm. These 3 instructions are the query instructions of the device. Send the first instruction, you can query the parameters of the device. Send the second instruction, you can query the current state of the device. Send the third instruction, you can view the current location of the device. You can configure the working mode of the device on the platform. Enter the command interface and click working mode to select the mode you need. In the command interface, click the icon in the upper right corner to query the configuration report of the device. In the More interface, click Alerts to view the alarm report of the device. From this interface of the platform, you can view live tracking of the device's location, and by clicking Playback below, you can select a date to view the device's historical route playback.